Alright, so right here, a little bit of a different video today. So I've got back into my skin of coming outside. I mean, I've always come outside, but I'm recording it now. So, what I've got today, it's a little bit of a different video because it involves, well, more firearms. And this, the other two guns that are on this channel are not real guns. They're, those stupid little carnival toys that I won at carnivals. And so I wanted a real airsoft gun. And now I have it. This is not an airsoft gun, this is technically an air hard gun, BB gun. And it is windy as ever here. But it's okay. So I got this here Daisy Red Ryder gun. Now, this is the gun popularized by what's it called? The Christmas Story, a BB gun. And so I figured I'd come out and shoot some stuff with it for you. Now, here, let me show you my setup here. My cans. Just come out and shoot cans and stuff. So this is on the end of my property. That's the field. That's not my property. But this is my can storage thing. So this box, it appeared over by the rock pile over there. One day it was in like that crevice, kind of over where that bin is right now. I guess it blew over here or something. It was litter. And I didn't move it. I never moved it. I came back here like 2 weeks later. It was still out here. And this was in like November. It's February now. Or March. It's March now. Yeah. So it was over there. And I got that gun. And I came back here and that box was still back here. I got it for Christmas. And the box was still back here. And I thought, hey, maybe I could use that box. Don't mind my shadow here. This is a music stand the phone's sitting on. I thought, hey, why not put all the cans in the box here? So that's exactly what I did. So if we look inside of here, she's a little bit dissolved, but it's alright. Got a bunch of different cans. I also did shoot at the box itself here. So what do we got? We got all the cans of it with Cayman Jack, Dr. Pepper, Coca-Cola. I didn't bring any new cans out here. I have some new cans. I actually drank a soda today. I just didn't bring any out here because I figured I could show you this. And use the cans out here because there are still some half-decent cans. And I will not be shooting that. There's a can of chocolate nuts over there. I will not be using that because that's not mine. And it's screwed onto that fence post anyway. I also used to shoot at the pumpkins. There's the pumpkins that we had. They are pretty rough looking now. There's great. Move that over. It's been moved a few times. It was there, and then it was there, and now it's there. Anyway, so let me get back to where I was, and we will shoot a few cans. And get right here. Let me show you the strat here for the can. So you can it's less than ideal to shoot on something like that because now these cans just blow everywhere. So it's really hard to make it stay. There's still some compromise. So I have a few spots, specific spots that I like to put my cans. So come up here, just want to rotate it, put it like that, just so it doesn't blow away. Right there. Let's get a baby Dr. Pepper can. they are big. It's tall. And it's light, so it doesn't stick over there. Little mini Dr. Pepper cans are like tanks. They're thick and they're small, so they're compact. They don't fly everywhere. So you really gotta give her. I hate this. I'm poor. That's why I'm doing this. That's why. Wind, Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna shoot. I don't care. We got one can down. I need like a wind guard for this thing or something so it doesn't keep blowing over like that. Alright, I'm gonna go. So, on these things, you got your cots here. It's like 7 clicks until it actually loads. And then, you have to put your safety off. It's right here. Turns red. So now it's locked and loaded. I don't know. I don't have too many babies in here. I think I have like 10 or 15. So it probably won't be out here very long. This thing, I don't know. Up here, sight. This is an open sight. So I'm good for those standards. Alright. Look at that. Now, it is really good to come out here on like a wet day when all that's wet, and then the cans, they stick in there real good. But it's not like that today. So we're gonna make do with what we got. So I'm gonna pause this and we'll get back to it when I actually got a good worthy, can set up out there. Or we're gonna go before they blow over. This is the time. This is the good. So, this is definitely not a very good day to do this, but I saw the opportunity and I took it. Now, yeah, usually when I come out here, it's a lot colder and it's cloudy. No blue at all in the sky. That's what I call shooting weather for me, at least. But yeah, we got the and I don't know. I guess it would be better if I move back, but I don't know. I can. Let me do that. Let me just move it back, and then I'll set them cans up again, and then you can see how I do from a farther distance, just because usually I like to do it from close just because I can't see and I don't want to wear glasses. What do we got here? I think it's about there. I'll come back to about here and then we'll see what we got. Alright, we can calm down a little bit. See how we do. Way in there. When I said I had a good shot, I really did mean it. But when I said you're sighted, I also meant it. So, I'm a little winded just because I ran to and from there. So I'm gonna sit for a minute. see what's going on. All right, I think I'm good. Oh, one more thing. You know, I got this stupid do rag on, just to kind of, the whole, face reveal. I mean, not, but the point is, I think I made up my mind that I'm going to do a face reveal when I graduate high school. I'm a sophomore right now, so we got a few years. But I feel like I get really tired of just having to have this on and whenever I want to show you something, because I'm going to be getting a car soon. I'm probably going to make a lot of content on a car because I am a car person and that's what I will be doing. So, back to shoot. None of the cans blew over, which is pretty cool. So, see how I do from here with breath. There we go. Oh yeah. Keep looking back, make sure it doesn't blow over, but the window's kind of died down now, so I think it's alright. Oh! Maybe Dr. Pepper's gone. Thought I'd do a little better on the big cans, maybe not. There. That's more like it. So, I do have one thing that did come with this gun is there's they got these little like paper targets. It's like a little piece of paper and then it's got the targets on it. They came with some of those. So I'm gonna use those at some point. I'm gonna have I got a saxophone box, a box set of saxophone. It's like a big old box. I'm gonna have it's like just a shooting thing. Tape some targets on there, like a little star, little piece of paper with stars. So we'll get that out here at some point. Do that. I don't know. So I'll go again. I'm gonna do one last round for you. Don't want to make this thing too long. Alright, so we got 4 cans this time. We got one in another spot there. I forgot I had that spot there. I made it last time I was out here. So, we're gonna see how it works. yeah, worked out pretty good, I'd say. I think I got a pretty good shot for the amount of time I've been shooting, which is a couple of months. I think I got another one. It's a pellet gun. It's not a BB gun like these. The little BBs, little copperheads. But then there's the other one, and it has like pellets. It's more lethal. But this does a trick for shooting the cans and stuff like that. Also, I don't know. This is a little weird, but I don't know if any of you have ever shot at feces before. It is fun. It's cool. It's bizarre, but there was a big old pile of poop out there in the field, right on the border of the field and the yard. We were out there one day, and I was shooting at it, and it's cool. I don't know what kind of feces it was. Doesn't do it for all kinds because there was a pile of dog poop because we get clean it up. But there was a pile of dog poop out there shooting at the dog poop. It wasn't the same. Now whatever was out in the field was not dog poop. It might have been like deer or something. But I was out there shooting dog poop. It like rippled. It's hard to explain what it did, but it was cool. So yeah. I'm bad at outros. I don't know how to do outros. I've been trying to think I do outros because I don't want to be like just see you later, guys. See you on the next video. And be like that because that's weird. And I've kind of made a persona on making fun of people like that and frowning on people like that. But yeah, so I've been meaning to make this video for a while, and I finally have an opportunity. So I did. Yeah, so see you later, I guess. Don't want to edit a video like that.